Everyone, this is Kijimo Vlogs. It's been your actor-based of Saudi Arabia and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad ko another reaction video ang Clash 2025 Grand Champion. Yung madali guys, Serenade sa TikTok Clock. Yung Sweet Serenade sa TikTok Clock. So if I'm not mistaken, ang kinanta niya dito is Versace on the Floor. I am not pretty sure. Sana full version ang kakantahin niya dito. Sana lang talaga. So if one second lang, let's start this reaction video. Overflowing yung emotion niya dun sa All Out Sunday kahapon, di ba? Tunog niya talaga yung I can hardly believe it. This was September 10, if I'm not mistaken. Alam mo yung feeling na parang sasang kinakanta niya, pero hindi mo siya nahihirapang nakitaan o hindi mo nakikita ang nahihirapan siya. Kundi ang nakikita mo sa kanya, yung ninanamnam niya kung anong ibig sabihin ng kanta. You know what I mean? Mataas na to eh.
There's a reason to hide what we're feeling inside right now. So baby, let's just turn down the line and close the door.
Akin naman pala si Ate Bel. Yes. Eee. Si Jong. Grabe. Klarong-klaro ang mukha ng babae. Pambala natin yun. Klarong-klaro, oh. Tapos pa nga talaga, at dinikit pa ang hindi dapat idikit. Yung totoo. Nang gumagalaw pa siya dito, ha? Di ba? Parang alam mo yung gumagalaw-galaw pa siya dito, eh. Oh, the version sa The Clash, yun yung version niya. Ay, grabe, klarong-klaro ang mukha ng babae. Klarong-klaro ang mukha ng babae. Eh? Yes, Emma Tiglaw? Oh, Emma Tiglaw. Ganda ng raspiness ng boses siya doon kung narinig niyo. Wait. You said just the two of us. Yan yung mga adlibs, isa din sa mga nagustuhan ko sa kanya kasi nagbibigay talaga siya ng sarili niyang flavor sa kanta.
Just the two of us, just the two of us. Just the two of us, just the two of us, baby. Just the two of us. So baby, let's just turn down the line and
Grabe yung execution niya. Yung full chest voice niya talaga. Grabe. Alam mo kung mapapansin niyo yung audio ng, what do you call this, yung audio ng Oclap or GMA, wala masyadong reverb. Natural lang talaga yung narinig natin. Pero wala tayong narinig na something like raspy ang boses niya.
close the door. Unlock the dress. We won't need it anymore. No, you won't need it no more. Let's just kiss the winning key, baby. You're such a wonderful.
Love the placement. Love the placement. He ate and left no crumbs. Wait a minute, because wala dito. Hindi to see. Yung nag-start siya sa Best the Two of Us.
We can
I-enjoy niya talaga yung stage.
fly, just the two of us. Just the two of us. Woo! Building castle in the sky. Just the two of us. Just the two of us. Just the two of us.
Nice.
Two of us, just the two of us, baby. Just the two of us.
Okay.
Baby, let's just turn down the line and close the door.
Grabe yung emotion. Anyways, that is all for today's video from Jong Madalina in TikTok. This is Kim Jong. Nice to see you.